Alrighty guys, Josh X Slave here. Just decided to do another quick video on how to run a VGA from that to that without having to take and solder all the points with a copper wire onto the bottom of your GVI board. So you just plug it in there. I'm pretty sure I have it figured out. Right here's just kind of old one, another little example. If you wanted to do it yourself, these diagrams are how they already do it. It's basically kind of how you need it. You want kind of want to wire, that's how it's supposed to be, how everything grounds off each other. And you can just go buy like a little piece like this, but it won't have all this stuff on it. Like Radio Shack or something. And right here is what I used. It's the other end to this. I cut it up, found out what wires are what, and what they go to. So basically right here how it sits, pinouts. Back here you see, the red, green, blue, RGB. Have it all here. This you don't need to worry about. This is like a composite. And once with the excess, you don't really need it all. But if you were to need like an extra ground or something, you'd use that right there. And basically right here, it's the same thing. So basically, I just gotta solder it into the back of, the motherboard. Here's the two main ground wires. Useless, pretty much right here, wires. And then the RGB and the VNH sync right there. So I have that right here. Things ran down. And basically, there's a lot of pins right here. You can kind of see that. All that's ground. Xbox 3 is red on the pin. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, it's blue for this. On the Xbox, you find the pin that's number 3. Okay, that's red. So you pick 1 for the VGA, which is red right here, right there, and then so on and so on. It's all right there. 12. So 14, 11, 8 sync, 12 is VC. That's pretty much it. It's one quick video. Trying to make them a little bit longer. I'm not sure if I put a video up of the sound quality of my 4 speakers yet, but I'll make it board and do that a little bit later. So that's pretty much it. Just kind of clean up everything a little bit. And yeah, thanks guys.